What's good, YouTube? My name's AJ. I am 25 and I'm going to be starting this channel mainly just to share some of the new articles of clothing that I got. Shoes, sweaters, you know the gist of it. A lot of people, they really do like the way that I style myself, so I don't want to gatekeep. I actually want to put you boys on, boys and girls, whoever likes my style. This video in particular is going to be mainly based off of my Supreme collection. I've been getting a lot of stuff recently, and not any sort of OG or anything when it comes to Supreme, but after one of the recent trips that I've went on, I've kind of like got my first little piece of clothing, and that kind of like got me in the door. So now I actually want to get you guys hip to, and maybe you are already an OG Supreme head, hype beast, whatever you want to call it. This channel is for everyone. I'm gonna start off with what I got on right now real quick. I got on, I believe this was week 14 for the fall and winter collection, the Pounds jersey. Shit, that and goes kind of crazy. So I also got the red colorway. There was 3 different colorways. There was a blue one as well. I was planning on getting it, but after a little bit of thought, I just kind of thought that the black and the red ones actually are my favorite out of the 3. I just kind of went with this one. I actually really like this jersey. Just like the little subtle details. So today's video is going to be mainly an unboxing. I just ordered something. It is currently about to go into week 17 for Supreme fall winter drop, but this is going to be from week 16. Unfortunately, bro, I fumbled. I literally didn't even see the balaclava on there. I didn't see a whole bunch of stuff on there that I definitely would have wanted to cop. This is kind of one of the items that I did cop. I was just kind of immediately on it. We got this big bag over here that we're gonna be unboxing or unwrapping, whatever the hell you want to call it. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on this light. That way you guys can see me just a little bit better. I think something that got me to get this was mainly the fact that I was seeing it in a bunch of like videos that they were dropping, and I was like, I need that. So what you're gonna get first, you always normally get one of these stickers. It can be a different type of sticker. I have like one from The Exorcist, from that drop. But you get a sticker normally with it. And what we actually ended up ordering today was this hoodie. And I think this was so fire. They had 3 different colors in this too. It was blue and black, but I do like contrasting colors for the most part. So I went with the white and red this time. So let's actually take it out and get a good look at this. Now, I got a large. I do like my hoodies to be a little bit baggy because when I have the hood down, it gives me a different look. I know some people love baggy, other people want it to be like tight as hell. To each his own. This shit is gas. Supreme, and it's actually embroidered, so you don't have to worry about this coming off when you wash it or whatnot. You do get a lot of different like patches across here, so you have like the triple X here for world famous on both arms, and then at the bottom you're gonna get that it says Supreme Team. This is really nice as far as the details itself goes, and like I said, the red really pops off of this white. It's not a cream, it is actually a true white for the most part. And on the back you're gonna get this Champions piece right here where it says 31X Champions, or 31-time champion, whatever. And then you get the Supreme 31 New York label on there, and you have another world famous label down here. Now this is gas, fam. And I think this is kind of like why I started getting into Supreme. Every brand that's gonna be releasing stuff on the weekly basis, like, of course, they're not gonna have fire stuff every single week. Just with it, just kind of open, unzipped. Me personally, I like to zip it just about here, and then I'll kind of spread this out. I don't think that in the future I'm going to be like all Supreme everything. But I do think that it is kind of something that I'm implementing into my wardrobe a lot more frequently, just because of the fact that I do like the quality, I like the designs, and it's just something that I like to wear. I appreciate you guys for watching my YouTube video. This is the first. Let me know if you fuck with it. If you don't fuck with it, tell me how I can fix it, make it a little bit more enjoyable for you. And I'll check in with you guys later.